I'd like to briefly show you how to use the optics panel in Adobe Camera RAW. So I'm going to open up both this image and this image in Camera RAW because I want to show you two different things here. Let's start off with this image. As you can see here in the optics panel, that I have automatically set my preferences to correct the profile for the particular lens that and camera that I'm shooting with. So you can see if I unclick that, it does change the look of the image considerably, and this corrects the color chromatic aberration, which usually isn't going to be an issue, but sometimes it can help. All right. So let's switch to this image, and the reason I want to show you this image is you can see that when I do correct or click these boxes, nothing happens, and the reason for that is this was taken with a very old digital camera quite a long time ago, and Camera RAW no longer has stored a profile for that camera. So this isn't going to do any good. So I'm going to have to work with this image manually. And this does have a lot of bending going on here. See how these lines are very bent and they're not straight? Well, that was not a bent doorway. That was a straight doorway. So if I want to make it look straight, I'm going to have to fix it in Camera RAW. So my guess is that my zoom lens was set a fairly wide angle when I took this, and that's what created that bent look. So you've all seen pictures of the horizon line on a seascape or something where it's not level. Well, that's what's going on here, and this is how you fix it. Okay, so all I need to do is move this, and you can see how those lines are starting to straighten out. So already that's much better, right? So, but what's all this checkerboard stuff going around the edge of the image? I'm going to need to crop that out. So the way to do that is simply to come to my crop tool, click constrain to image, and there you go. Now I've got quite a different looking picture than I started off with. Another thing which does something entirely different, I don't know why they put them together in this version of Camera RAW, because these tools do tend to move around in different versions of Camera RAW, is the vignette tool. So notice the edges of my image here are somewhat dark. That can also happen due to your lens not really recording information as accurately towards the edge of the image area. So here we can make that a bit lighter, which I think actually helps in this image, or we can give it that dramatic reversed vignette effect. So we make our edges darker like we do when we burn them in the darkroom, or we can make them a little lighter and more even here. I'm going to just go a little bit lighter. Okay, so in just a few minutes you can see how this picture radically changed, and we were able to correct the distortion created by the lens on our camera. It's not going to create the kind of distortion you get with a fisheye lens, but it is going to significantly change the look of the image. If you have any questions, send me an email and I'll get back to you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.